what to watch out for, because even the best tool can produce weak results if you don't know its limits. The first pitfall is hallucination. That's when Claude states something confidently that isn't actually true. A made-up statistic, a fabricated case study, a quote that was never said. This tends to happen most when you ask for very specific facts, figures, or sources without giving Claude anything to ground its answer in. The fix is simple but non-negotiable. Always verify any statistic, data point, or claim before it goes into a client deck, a press release, or a piece of published content. Treat Claude like a sharp junior analyst, not a fact-checked encyclopedia. If a number matters, confirm it against a real source. The second pitfall is generic copy. This happens when your prompt is too vague. If you ask for a social post about our product, you'll get something that could describe almost any product from almost any brand. The output isn't wrong, it's just forgettable. The fix here is specificity. Give Claude your actual brand voice, a real audience description, a concrete goal for the piece, and a few details that only your product has. The more texture you put into the prompt, the more your brand's personality comes through in the output. A good habit is to treat your first draft from Claude as a starting point, not a finished asset. Read it critically. Ask yourself, does this sound like us? Is this claim actually true? Would this stop someone mid-scroll? If the answer is no, refine the prompt and try again rather than publishing on the first pass. Avoiding these two pitfalls, hallucination and genericness, is really about one mindset shift. Claude is a powerful collaborator, but you're still the editor-in-chief.